Hey guys, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. In this quick video, I just wanted to show you how to easily update the My Listing theme um, without the need for any additional plugin or anything like that. There is a plugin that you can get from Envato that'll help you keep your theme updated. But that once you see this, I think you'll realize that plugin's not really needed. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here I am on the My Listing Club tutorial site for My Listing. And we're just going to go ahead and update the theme on this site. My listing just came out with a new version yesterday, so this is perfect timing to be testing this out and showing you how to do this. All right. So let's jump over to pretend we're logged into our ThemeForest account where we've purchased the My Listing theme, and all we're going to do is just locate the theme there, and click the download button, and we're going to click on installable WordPress file only. Now, what's the difference between this and the all files and documentation? The all files option will bring down the child theme as well. So if this is your first time building a site from scratch, I recommend pulling down all the files so you can get the child theme and install the child theme as well. But since we already have the child theme installed, that's not really what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, so we have those files downloaded. We're going to jump over to our site, and we're just going to go, I'll jump back here a level. We're just going to go to Appearance and Themes, and we're just going to click on Add New Theme. We're just going to act like we're adding a brand new theme to the website. Okay. Click the Upload Theme button, choose File, pick that downloaded file that we just did, and click Install Now. WordPress is going to ask you if you want to overwrite the current theme. So it's showing here on the left-hand side, we have version 2.8, and now it's wanting to install 2.9. So go ahead and say replace current with uploaded. But before I do that, I also want to point out a really good recommendation here that WordPress is making, and that is to back up your website. Do a full backup of your website before you do any updates like this to your website. Okay, so run that backup first. Let's assume that we've done that. Again, click this replace current with uploaded. All that's going to do is just overwrite the newer files with the newer files, and you're good to go. So just that fast, we've updated the theme. So let's go click on this go to themes page, click on My Listing, and there we go, version 2.9. It's just that easy. It takes a minute or two. You don't need any additional plugins. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see y'all later.